Good morning, dear students. Today in this video, we will discuss multiplication of integers and division of integers. Now, starting with the multiplication of integers, there are simple rules regarding multiplication of integers. Now, let us discuss those rules. The first is, when you will multiply a plus sign with a plus sign, we will get a plus sign. जब आप दो plus sign को multiply करोगे, what you will get? You will get a plus sign here. Now, understand this with the help of an example. Now see here, 9 into 8. Now see here, 9 is also positive and 8 is also positive. ठीक है, तो 9 8 72. आप नंबर्स को तो मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, बट अब हम क्या सीख रहे हैं? अब हम सीख रहे हैं जब हम साइंस को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. नाउ सी हियर, 9 इज ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव नंबर, 8 इज ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव नंबर. भले ही यहाँ पे प्लस का साइन शो नहीं है, बट आपको पता है कि ये दोनों कैसे पॉजिटिव है. सो जब आप एक प्लस के साइन को एक प्लस के साइन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आपको क्या मिलता है? एक प्लस का साइन. सो दैट इज वाई 9 into 8 is equal to 72. So the product of two integers both having plus sign is always plus. दो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स का प्रोडक्ट हमेशा कैसा होता है? एक पॉजिटिव होता है. ओके, now the next is, when we multiply a minus sign with a minus sign, what we get? We get a plus sign. Now let us understand with the help of an example. Now see here, minus 7 into minus 8. Now first of all, मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर्स. जैसे नॉर्मली आप नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, पहले हम क्या करेंगे? नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, 7 8 56. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द साइंस. नाउ यू नो, आई टोल्ड यू कि जब हम दो माइनस साइंस को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? एक प्लस का साइन. सो माइनस मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस, व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग हियर? प्लस साइन. दैट इज वाई द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ minus 7 and minus 8 is 56. minus 7 and minus 8 का प्रोडक्ट कितना है? 56. The product of integers both having negative sign. दो नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स का प्रोडक्ट हमेशा कैसा होता है? प्लस. That is positive. Now the third rule is, when we multiply a plus sign with a minus sign, what we will get? We will get a minus sign. Now let us understand this with the help of an example here. Now see here, plus 4 into minus 5. Now simply first of all multiply the number. 4 5s are 20. Now multiply the sign. When we multiply a plus sign with a minus sign, what we will get? A plus, and that is why the product is minus 20. The product of one integer having plus sign and the other having minus sign is always minus. ऐसे दो इंटीजर्स का प्रोडक्ट जो एक पॉजिटिव है और एक नेगेटिव है, उसका प्रोडक्ट हमेशा कैसा होता है? एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर होता है. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई द प्रोडक्ट इज minus 20 here. Now the fourth rule is, when we multiply a minus and a plus sign, जब हम एक माइनस और एक प्लस साइन को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? अ माइनस साइन. Now let us see the example here. minus 9 into 8. 8 is what? Plus, positive. So 9 8s are 72. Simply we have multiplied the numbers. Now multiply the sign. When we multiply a minus sign with a positive sign, 8 कैसा है? पॉजिटिव है, तो पॉजिटिव साइन होगा 8 के साथ. So minus into plus is what? Minus. The product of integer having negative sign and the other having positive sign is always negative. एक दो इंटीजर्स जिसमें से एक आपका नेगेटिव है और एक आपका पॉजिटिव है, तो दोनों का प्रोडक्ट कैसा आएगा? हमेशा माइनस साइन के साथ आएगा. दैट इज नेगेटिव होगा. नाउ द डिविजन ऑफ इंटीजर्स. Carefully note the signs in case of division of integers. Now see here carefully. When you will divide a plus sign with a plus sign, जब आप एक plus sign को plus sign से divide करोगे, what you will get? A plus sign. When you will divide minus sign with a minus sign, see here, minus divided by minus, what you will get? You will get a plus sign. When you will divide a plus sign with a minus sign, plus divided by minus, what you will get? A minus sign. Minus divided by plus, minus divided by plus, what you will get? Minus sign. So this you have to learn. Okay, now how you will learn this? कि जब हम सेम साइंस को डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें प्लस मिलता है, और जब हम डिफरेंट साइंस को डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिल जाता है, नेगेटिव साइन. सी हियर, दोनों सेम है, दोनों प्लस है. व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, अ प्लस साइन. नाउ सी, both the signs are negative and negative divided by negative, what we are getting here, a plus sign. ठीक है, तो सेम साइंस को जब डिवाइड करते हैं तो प्लस साइन मिलता है, और जब ऑपोजिट साइंस को डिवाइड करते हैं, ना सी हियर, प्लस डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस, अपोजिट है दोनों एक दूसरे के, इन दोनों को डिवाइड करें तो क्या मिल रहा है, अ नेगेटिव साइन. अगेन माइनस डिवाइडेड बाय प्लस, व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग हियर, अ नेगेटिव साइन. नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू with the help of an example here. Now see here, I'm explaining the first case. 9 divided by 3, that is plus. Now simply in this case also, first of all divide the numbers and then divide the sign. Now see here, 9 divided by 3 is what, 3. Now see the signs here, 9 is also with a plus sign and 3 is also with a plus sign. So plus divided by plus, 3, plus divided by plus is plus. Now minus 64 divided by minus 8. Now see here, 64 divided by 8 is what, 8. Now divide the signs. When a minus sign is divided by a minus sign, what we will get, a plus sign. Okay, now plus 64 divided by minus 8. Again divide 64 by 8, 8. Now divide a plus sign with a minus sign. When we will divide a plus sign by a minus sign, what we will get, a minus sign. So the answer is minus 8. Now minus 81 divided by 9. Now first of all divide the number simply. 81 divided by 9 is 9. Now divide the signs. Minus sign divided by a plus sign. 9 is what, plus, positive, it is with a plus sign. So when we divide a minus sign by a plus sign, then what we will get, a minus sign. Now we will start exercise 4.2. Dear students, now we are doing the question number 5 and question number 6. Later on we will do the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. For now we are doing the question number 5 and question number 6. Now the question number 5 is multiply the following integers. Now see here, the A part is minus 17 into plus 5. Now what I have told you, firstly simplify, multiply the numbers. पहले simply numbers को multiply करो और फिर उसके बाद signs को multiply करो. So 17 5s are 85. Now when a minus sign is multiplied by a plus sign, what we will get, a minus sign. So the required answer is minus 85. Now see here, minus 20 multiply by minus 5. So 20 into 5 is what, 100. Now when we multiply a minus sign by a minus sign, जब हम दो minus sign को multiply करेंगे, what we will get, a plus sign. So the required answer is plus 100. Now the C part is plus 15 into minus 10. 15 tens are 150. Now when we multiply a plus sign by a negative sign, minus sign, so what we will get, we will get a minus sign here. Now the D part is plus 10 into plus 10. So 10 tens are 100. Then when we will multiply a plus sign by a plus sign, what we will get, we will get a plus sign here. Now we will start the question number 6. The question number 6 is divide the following integers. So in this case you have to divide. Now just simply what you have to do, you have to remember the rules of multiplication and the rules of division. So dear students, learn the rules properly. The A part is plus 81 divided by plus 9. So first of all divide the numbers, then divide the sign. 81 divided by 9 is what? 9. Now when a plus sign is divided by a plus sign, we get a plus sign. और मैंने आपको ये और बताया था कि जब हम सेम साइंस को डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है, हमेशा प्लस साइन. Now see here, the B part is minus 56 divided by plus 8. So first of all divide 56 by 8. Okay, what we will get, 7. Now divide the signs. When a minus sign is divided by a plus sign, what we will get, we will get a minus sign. So the required answer is minus 7. Now the C part is minus 91 divided by minus 13. Now first of all divide the numbers. 91 divided by 13 is 7. And now divide the signs. When we divide a minus sign with a minus sign, what we will get? We will get a plus sign. So what is the required answer here? Plus 7. Now the D part is plus 49 divided by plus 7. So divide 49 by 7, what we will get? 7. Now divide, when we will divide a plus sign by a plus sign, जब हम दो plus sign को divide करेंगे, what we will get? We will get a plus sign. So plus 7 is the required answer.